In this quick guide, you'll learn how to log in to Salesforce Trailhead. Whether you're just starting out on your Trailhead journey or you need a quick refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the login process step by step. First, let's head over to the Salesforce website. Open your favorite web browser and type in salesforce.com in the address bar. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the homepage. You should see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've clicked Log In, you'll be presented with a few different options to choose how you'd like to log in. Salesforce offers a variety of login methods to cater to your preferences and needs. The first option is logging in directly with Salesforce. This is a great choice if you want to link your learning profile directly to your work or developer organization. By using your Salesforce credentials, you can seamlessly integrate your learning progress with your professional Salesforce account. This can be particularly useful if you're working on projects or certifications that require direct integration. If you prefer a different method, you can choose to log in using your email. Simply enter your email address, and Salesforce will send you a secure, single-use login code. This is a convenient option if you want to keep your work and learning profiles separate, or if you're accessing Trailhead from a shared or public computer. Just make sure you have access to your email to retrieve the login code. Lastly, Salesforce also provides the option to log in using social accounts like Google, LinkedIn, or Apple. This is perfect if you prefer a more personal connection or if you're already logged into these services on your device. By choosing one of these social login options, you can streamline the process and avoid having to remember multiple passwords. So, to recap, you have several options for logging into Salesforce Trailhead, directly through Salesforce, using your email for a secure code, or via your social accounts like Google, LinkedIn, or Apple. Choose the method that best suits your needs and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the login process. Remember, if you ever run into any trouble or forget your password, Salesforce offers support and recovery options to help you get back on track. You can always reach out to their support team for assistance or use the Forgot Password feature if needed. And there you have it. Logging into Salesforce Trailhead is quick and straightforward, giving you access to a world of learning opportunities and resources. Whether you're diving into a new module or continuing your trailblazing journey, you're now ready to explore everything Salesforce Trailhead has to offer. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy trailblazing!